Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, LED headlights, retractable cargo cover, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.